Okay, there's a little like the diamond ring effect. The diamond ring effect.
Corona. Look at that. Wow. Incredible.
Like 50 pounds?
Well, hello.
Probably about 50 pounds.
Nice to meet you
There's
too.
the little dwarf goats.
What are the parents? Do they like bond? Do they bond well?
With people? Yeah. We handle them a lot so that, you know, they're really nice as they get older. Especially the bucks. They can be mean if they're not handled a lot.
No bucks. No sugar.
Trying to catch a hawk. I keep flying around, but every time I go to record, they disappear. Wily bastards. I'll get you. I'll get you. It's time to go hike into the wild blue yonder. I think I'm gonna head out somewhere down there. It's like a 5-mile trek. That's what somebody said. So, might want to send out the helicopters. I'm gonna need a rescue. It's the wild yonder. Engines are go. Kids are annoying. Let's explore. Bum bum. I have no idea what that actually means. I don't know if that's actually difficult or, you know, like it's regular people difficult or like my difficult, you know. Being the experienced hiker I am. It's funny with that. It's not very funny without context, but I haven't hiked in a couple decades or so. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Bum bum ba da bum ba dum bum ba dum bum. Oh shit, look at there. It's a goblin cave. We really out here. We're not going to the water fountain. We're going into the dips. It's quite a precarious. Back at the cave. I have no preparations, so I'm just gonna follow the trail. Bum, 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 bum. Here we have a goblin cave. Hello, hello, hello. My precious. My precious. Hey, what's up, Smeagol? Julie and Jake were here. And apparently they love each other. Good for them. Wow. Seem to be alone. If we're not, I'm going to shit my pants. The rugged natural beauty. I guess this is the lower Ozarks. It's like the base of the Ozarks. Before it gets all crazy. It's mostly flat, but yeah. It's got a little terrain to it. A little bit of interest. See it. It feels so much better here than out in the sun. Oh, I could stay here all day. And I might if I could see the sun from here, but it's over that way. That doesn't work if I'm looking at me. I'm a noob. There's a lot of like trails through here. I'm gonna check out. It's a difficult trailhead though, supposedly. So we'll see how it goes. This might be the last image you ever see of me, so it's been nice either knowing you or not knowing you. Either or. It's been nice. Life's good, don't wear it out. Adios. Let's see. What the fuck is that? Oh, I found some cryptic. Oh wait, actually that's a fucking swastika actually. I'm pretty sure. Welcome to Arkansas. Hopefully this rock doesn't chase me like Indiana Jones. Well, actually I think that's the I see a path. What a precarious predicament. Supposedly this is the, I guess this is the difficult trail. I don't know. It sure as hell would be difficult coming back up. Out into the woods we go. Yep. I got fucking poison ivy already, god damn it. Looky here. Hope there aren't bears. What was that? A light flashed before my eyes. It's like a gecko or something. Hope I don't get murder rated. Oh, it's a nice curated trail. And we'll go in 1X for now. What sucks is you start at the top. Maybe we'll have to reverse the footage to make it more dramatic. Or just rewind, play it in reverse so that I reach the top where the parking lot is. And ta-da! Look at the view. Ta-da! Aha. We found something. We have discovered something. What does that say? Make the world a better place. Don't litter. 1 mile. From where? From that way? Or that way? Oh, there's like a mansion down there. A mansion. Oh god, this is getting steep. Okay, I think I looked at the map once, very vaguely, and I'm kind of remembering that it goes down. It goes like it's very steep. Oh wait, actually it probably goes the other way. I think. Yeah, it does. Where the hell does this go? This is uncharted territory. No one's ever been before. Oh, we have a... Oh shit, I'm gonna get lost. We have a crossroads. We have a junction. We have a choice, a decision. A or B. Where do you go? Whatever. It's too camouflaged. One leads to death, and one leads to life. I go right in the middle. No. It would be nice to know where I'm going. There's like houses over here, so kind of getting down into the woods of civilization. What's kind of a... Ooh, what is that? Aha, I knew this was the path to life. Was that dog attacks and mauled me. Oh, look at that. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty. Spider web? Lord, I hope not. What the heck is that shit? Oh, it's cotton candy. Mmm. All natural. That's the do I keep going down this path? There's a one random purple, tiny little flower with the bee on it. Where'd he go? Oh, awesome. Oh, the light. What the fuck is that? What the hell is that? Oh. It's a rock. Shit. Had me fool. We've come across something. What shall it be? A path. Ah, a path for me. Where doth it go? Who doth know? Ah, that thing ruined the view. Oh, it's a telephone pole. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Why does this feel like it's this is like totally a boss battle. Oh yeah, this is a boss battle arena for sure. I didn't save. See, this is the kind of boss that you're like walking along, and then a gorilla, a giant gorilla, jumps out. And this is my only weapon. And this stick, the stick of truth. Yeah, it's like totally like if there was like a movie. This is where the ambush would happen. The army would be like walking through here, and there would be like archers and shit up in the trees, and then just be like. I was like, get down! And then we run over there and kind of hide and like peek up. Yeah, this is why I need to be a movie director. He'd like totally have like rituals here, you know. We're about to head back. We'll go a little bit further. The way is blocked. Can't proceed. What do I do? How do I solve this? It's funny because like right there, like right up there, all the way across, there's a huge parking lot. And yet it feels like we're truly out in the wilderness. I think it just goes to show that it's like a little bit of green, a little bit of nature, you know, mixed in just a little bit, you know, like we're less than a few hundred feet from, you know, civilization, from houses. It's just, it makes a big difference, just a little bit, you know, just the mix of like nature and urbanity together. It's very peaceful. And that's the thing though, to really capture nature, like you have to slow down. Because if you just keep moving too fast, it's just like woods, you know, that's your takeaway. But you have to slow down to the pace of the place, you know, to get the vibe of the place, understand, to feel it, the weight of it. Hopefully it's a good weight, you know. Generally in peaceful nature like this it is, you know. It's a very contemplative kind of vibe. Away from everything, but yet very close to everything. It's nice. It feels good, you know. Those naturally grow like that? I'm constantly hearing the wildlife scampering about in the leaves. It has been years since I've like went on an actual hike. So. Welcome to the jungle. We got funny games. We got everything. Whoa, lots of trees and grass. Honey, we know the names. People that can find whatever you may need. If you got the honey, you definitely have these. The jungle. birds, please. Oh man. That's the thing. If you're going too fast, you're always trying to capture something in nature. You always scare it away as you approach. As soon as you see, like, it's the time for you to see it, you scare it away. That's why you gotta be slow, like a hunter, methodical. You're just trying to get your shot, you know. It's just different kind, a life-affirming shot rather than a death-affirming one. Up we go. Where we stop? Nobody know. We've made it back alive. So check this baby out here. Get back here. God damn it. They're like hawks that were closer than I've ever been to hawks. It was like 5 of them in like a flock at the top of this mountain up here. And they were literally, I don't know, 20 feet away, circling all the people. I guess maybe they thought people would drop like food or something. I don't know. There were some baby goats up there.
What are the parents?
So maybe they were looking for some snacks. Who knows? Okay, let's go get some food. Head to another zone. Continue the journey. What the fuck you on 10x, motherfucker? Ruin my journey. They're back. It's the first time I've ever, with any kind of seriousness, film footage of nature. And it's like, I think my biggest takeaway is that you really have to slow down and move at the speed of the environment, or else you miss, well, shit, everything. Where'd he go? He gone. I was moving too fast. But I'm in civilization now, so civilization moves fast and irresponsibly. So I'm excused, at least by the humans. It's not actually a view here, so where are you gonna put the gazebo with an outlook that has no view? The view down this way. That's a bit of a walk, so let's jump ahead, shall we? Actually, I think I summoned. Holy fuck! Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy macaronis! I think that was the summoning song of the Hawks. Them big motherfuckers, I say that much. God dang. God dang, I tell you what. Oh, he's coming back. I think he's giving me a show. Oh yeah, he is. Or he's defending his territory, saying, "Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna kill you, human. I'm gonna kill you." Country roads, take me home to the place alone, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. Damn, check it out. Holy shit, this is a view right now. Bro, at fucking sunset? Can you serious? These like old people were like, oh yeah, all the kids are coming up there in the evening. Well, I don't know why. Like, can you fucking imagine? Like, imagine the sunset up here. Holy moly! Good gracious! So beautiful. I hope this shit is focused. It's so goddamn bright I can't even see the screen. I see like the sky and then like a line that indicates the horizon. It's like, and then blackness below that. So my screen is so fucking... So let's get these hawks and then get the heck out of here.